This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are in place. Check your iPhone model and iOS version and turn Siri on because CarPlay uses voice for navigation and commands. Once done, choose wired or wireless. Use a high-quality lightning cable for wired pairing or enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices for wireless. Next, put your car in accessory mode and open the iPhone's home screen. You're ready to initiate pairing from the car's infotainment menu. Follow prompts to begin. Now you'll complete the middle steps. On the car display, choose CarPlay or smartphone connection and pick your iPhone. If wireless, accept the Bluetooth pairing request and then allow the Wi-Fi handshake. Wireless CarPlay uses Bluetooth to negotiate and Wi-Fi for data, which is why both are required. For wired setups, plug the lightning cable into your iPhone and the USB port labeled with a phone icon. Finally, on your iPhone, go to Settings General CarPlay to customize app order and shortcuts. Finish by confirming CarPlay mirrors expected apps and that Siri, Maps, audio, and calls work. Use touch, steering wheel controls, or voice to test. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is set how you want it because it affects notifications. If something goes wrong, a reliable first fix is to disconnect and reconnect the cable or Bluetooth pairing, and then restart both devices. If problems persist, update your iPhone iOS and your vehicle's infotainment firmware before contacting support. That usually resolves compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.